Hey guys, so today will be just a short video on a problem with equations of lines, so might as well just get at it. We're going to be focusing on 14.20, so it's determining if the triangle with vertices A, B, and C is a right triangle, and we're just going to look at problem C. So we're given A, 2, 1, B, 3, -1, and C 1, -2. So might as well just write that down. Sorry, I'm left-handed, but C 3, -1, and C 1, -2. So this we're gonna be focusing on the. I'm gonna change the lighting up a bit. Hold up. Okay. Now we're asked if the triangle with these three vertices is a right triangle or not. So how we're going to do that, we're going to first look at the problem, and we're going to imagine the 3 points. So let's take any three arbitrary points, these three. So this is a right triangle only if A, B, and C, if two of these lines are perpendicular. So here we see we have three lines, one there, and one there. So if two of these lines are perpendicular to each other, then this triangle will be a right triangle. So we will just find the equation of all three of these lines and then check if any two of them have opposite reciprocal slopes, which signify a right perpendicular 90-degree angle. So first up, we're going to use point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Sorry. So what this does is it lets us take these 4 points and plug them in and then end up with the m, which is the slope. So we're just going to do that right now with a and b. So slope a and b. So we're going to take this one, which is y, or y2. Sorry, I'm just going to write that in. So y2, -1 minus y1 minus 1 is equal to m. x2 minus x1, so 3 minus 2. So then we just solve for the equation. We get -1 minus 1 is -2 equals m. 3 minus 2 is 1. So -2 is m. That's the slope of AB. So now we're going to go to slope of AC. So now we'll do the same thing. This time y2 is -2. The y is still the same. y1 is still the same. So now it's 1. And now thing is this here is 2, so we subtract 2. So now we have -2 minus 1 is -3 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. Okay, so we just divide each side by -1 and we get m is equal to 3. Okay, the last one is line BC. So now we're going to do -2, see there, -2 minus -1. So when you're subtracting a negative number, you're gonna you basically add the positive numbers. So -2 minus -1 is equal to -2 plus 1. So we're just gonna write a plus 1 is equal to m 1 minus 3. So now we're gonna write -2 plus 1 is the same thing as 1 minus 2, and 1 minus 2 is -1. -1 is equal to m. 1 minus 3 is just -2. Subtract or divide both sides by -2 and you get m is equal to 1/2. Okay, so now looking at these, we need to see if any of them are opposite reciprocals to each other, and we see -2 and 1/2 are negative reciprocals, which means these two lines are perpendicular, which means AB and BC are perpendicular. So that means that this, yes, it's a right triangle because AB is perpendicular to BC. Cool. And then that's just the video. Hope you guys have had a good break. School starts tomorrow again. Peace out.